Now's your chance to grab one of these cute subscriptions from Planything. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I'm excited to unbox the brand new Planything subscriptions for the month of August. The Planything subscriptions are so fun. You get goodies sent to your door each and every month. There are two options. You have the Washi Tape kit and the planner kit, and we're going to unbox both subscription slots open on August the 15th. So now is the time to go grab a slot. They are, there is a limited number. So once they're out, they're out. So you're going to want to head on over and see if you can grab one of the few slots left. We have two different ones. Like I said, the Washi Tape and the planner. We're going to unbox both and then do a plan with me. Let's go. All right, let's start with the Washi Tape subscription. What's cool about the Washi Tape subscription is a couple things. First of all, Planything Washi Tape, my absolute favorite. She does such a great job. I use it all of the time in my spreads. This is my go-to Washi Tape. The subscription, these tapes are only available in these subscriptions. So if you love them, the subscription is going to be what you want. Look, oh my goodness, y'all. For fall, oh yay, for more scallops. You guys know I love, oh, these are beautiful for the fall. You get 6 washies, you get 4 small washies, 2 mediums. I'm going to take a second and unwrap these and sample them out, and we're going to see what they look like. Y'all, these might be some of my favorite washi tapes that she has released. Love the grid. You have the hexagon here, kind of the honeycomb pattern, and the scallop. Those are staples. You'll use them over and over again. Yes, they're fall colors, but of course you can use them other times. Then you have 3 that feel very fall. This beautiful one with the fall leaves. Loving the plaid as well. It has kind of a worn look, and this one is very different. It has all these texture looks to it. It has like a sweater texture. It's really different and really pretty. Love these 6 washies. Again, only available as part of these subscriptions. So if you are into these washies, you're definitely going to want to check that out. So the washi subscription is one option available over at Planything. I love it. I think it's a great way to build up your washi stash. I think it's a great way to get some varied washies, some different ones that you may not normally pick out. I like that she generally has like some staple washies like these 3, and then she does think out of the box. She gets you some different ones, generally seasonal, but sometimes just along a fun color scheme, and I think they're awesome. I love getting her washi tape, and like I said, if I had to choose one brand of washi tape to use like forever, I think it would probably be Planything, just because she does such a great job covering the basics. So that's the washi tape. Then you have the planner subscription kit, and this kit includes lots of fun goodies. Let's check it out. First of all, love the bags, always. Okay, let's check out what is in the kit this month. So first of all, you receive additional washies. These, again, are different than the ones we had over there. Beautiful for the fall. We have a grid, another lighter grid, love that one, some stripes, and then a beautiful geometric pattern. Let me open these up and we can swatch them out. Super cute basic washies. I love the oranges for the season. And then this one, you guys, it has like a light brown grid in the background. Such a wonderful neutral that is going to not just be for the fall for me. That one is going to make appearances, I am sure, because it just adds a little nice pattern in the background. Loving those washi tapes. Those are awesome. So they do not overlap. And again, exclusive to that particular kit. So if you love these washies, you're going to want to get the planner kit as well. And it's going to be worth it because there are other goodies in the kit. Let me just wrap these up. I don't want to waste any of the washi tape, even though you get a ton. Like you're not going to run out of these washies. You get so much in each one. I kind of love the thicker grid as well. Okay. In the kit, you get a cute little post-it note set. This is giving me all the Gilmore Girl vibes with the gazebo. Love having these on my desk in the different seasons. I use post-its all of the time, so this is fantastic. These are sticky, which is awesome. You can reuse them. Love that. Then we get some papers with the kit. These are going to be cardstock papers, and you can use them for different purposes. Oh, I love the patterns included. Okay. I like to use them in my planning. I tend to, oh my goodness, I tend to cut them out and use them on my actual planner. You can punch them and use them as dashboards in your planner. Love. You can use them however you want. They're just pretty scrapbook paper. I use scrapbook paper frequently in my planning spread, so I like having these options, and they're specific and seasonal and beautiful. Love this one, a little bit obsessed with that. Loving, so you get 3 of those, then you get a sticker book, which is probably what we all get most excited about with the subscription. This one is called Rustic Autumn. You actually have 20 sticker sheets in here, 495 stickers. Let's check it out. Oh, so pretty with the oranges. This one's all pumpkin spice feels, all the oranges. So beautiful. Love the boots. Cute. Is that the same page twice? Yep, 2 of that page. Perfection. And you have the little gazebo. Oh, look at the computer with the background. Oh, it's so fun. Loving it. This one is a little bit more neutral, like the chill vibes. Love her little cocoa there. Oh, I want to go to there. That's where I would like to be, please. 2 of that page. These are all on clear stickers, by the way. Clear sticker paper. I kind of dig the people facing the back. It's that way you can have a person on your page, but you're not seeing the face. I think that makes it a little bit, I don't know. I know some people don't like to have people in their planners, but I think if you're just seeing the back of them, it's a different vibe. Some functional stickers included. More functional stickers. The houses, you guys. The houses make me so happy. I just like to imagine life in all these little scenes, all these little houses. So cute. Oh, look at the plaid. That's adorable. Loving all the plaid. That's amazing. It's getting me in the fall vibes. Ooh. These are like faux little like paint swatches with all the different patterns. That's cool. That's different. I dig that. Oh, so good. Some more functional boxes. Perfection. And then some great quotes. Autumn leaves and bonfires. Yes, please. Sweater weather. Hello, fall. Let's jump in the leaves. Hi, pumpkin. Flannels, boots, and bonfires. So cute. Fall is in the air. I love fall. I love it. That is beautiful. Rustic autumn. So, so pretty. I'm pretty excited about it. So that is what is included in the planner kit. So you have 2 different kits, some amazing supplies, all kind of geared seasonally this time around for the fall. I'm pumped about it. So if you're interested, check out my affiliate link down below. Head on over to Planything, snag one of those spots if there are any still available. Like I said, they go really fast. And let me know which kit you kind of liked the most this month. It's hard to pick because I really liked the washi. I actually love the washi in both kits. So this is one month where I don't know that I can pick a favorite. All right, I am going to put you all on fast forward. Let's do a quick plan with me. Today I am going to decorate and plan in my big faith planner. This is the venti size faith planner. I'm just now getting back into decorating this. I got off of decorating a lot of things when I was moving, and it feels good to get back into my planners a little bit. So we're going to decorate this one. Something that I love about Planything is when she ships her goodies, she has the cutest bags. They are adorable. I love both of the bags this time around, both the Washi Tape subscription and this one. I'm actually going to cut this bag apart and use it in my spread. I save all the bags because they're too cute to not save. So you should definitely be saving these bags for collage and art journaling, and you can use them in your actual planner spread. When I decorate my faith planning spreads, I tend to decorate in these vertical columns for the most part. I like to preserve as much writing room as possible. So I kind of focus all of my decor here on the vertical columns. I also have to include boxes or some functionality because I write scripture references for each day. So that's something I always consider. I'm using the bag, I cut it apart. We're going to use it to create these vertical stripes, and I love the wonky stripes in the background. I just think it makes for a fun look. This is actually going in my planner well before fall, but I like the kind of hints of fall. We're just giving peeks into fall this time of year, and then I can go all out fall once September hits. That's kind of my baseline for when fall decor starts making its way into my planner, and then by mid-September there is fall decor making its way into my household as well. Okay, now that the paper is set, I want to put some washi tape on either side. I ended up going with the scallop washi tape. I love the soft feel that it creates. It just makes it look like it's one full piece. It adds that little bit of orange, which is nice because I will be grabbing some stickers from the Rustic Autumn sticker book that was in the planner subscription, and they will have plenty of orange. So now we have the orange, we have this goldenrod yellow that was part of the bag. And that's going to start to bring in these hints of the autumn feel. Truthfully, this could go multiple directions at this point. I would say, yes, it may have an autumn color palette, but it's not necessarily an autumn spread yet. My faith planner spreads tend to come together pretty fast because they start to be a little bit formulaic. That doesn't bother me. If you find a way that you like to decorate a certain spread or a certain layout, then by all means go with that formula. Sure, change up the themes and the colors and everything from week to week, but have fun in that same format. And because I know how I like for this to look, then it makes it easy to figure out what stickers are going to go where. I can't wait to use that paper with the gorgeous house on it. It just was too big for this particular spread. So I think what I'm going to do is actually take some of these Post-its. So these are Post-it notes that came as part of the kit. I'm going to cut them apart and create my own boxes. I'm doing this for a couple of reasons. First of all, I really like the subtle grid in the back of this. I think it looks really nice and it doesn't add too much color, which I appreciated. Also, I kind of wanted to preserve the functional boxes that were in the book. Selfishly, I'm going to hoard them until I use the stickers for a catch-all spread. So this was a way to get a lot of boxes using some supplies from the kit, and I love how it came out. So we're going to cut those. I cut the Post-its in half, and then I'm going to adhere them all down in my planner. This gives me a place to write my verse references that I am reading each and every day. So I'll add those in, and then we'll start playing a little bit more with the decor. But see, I love how you can use all of the different parts of the Planything kits, and sometimes in different ways than you would normally expect, which I think makes it more interesting and fun when you get those kits. Like I said, kind of obsessed with the houses, so we're going to go with some of the house pictures here. We're going to have this kind of romantic looking street. I'll use 2 houses up at the top. We're going to scatter houses throughout. Like I said, I like to preserve the writing space, so when I have these stickers, I put them in between the days of the week. I use smaller stickers. I don't want to cover up too many of the lines, but I do like to break up the flow so it's not a perfectly up and down line, not a perfectly vertical line. I like little pieces that kind of jut in and out. Let's add another house up here. And then I do need to go into those functional boxes. We got to layer in some functional boxes so that I can add a weekly focus and so that I can add a couple of prayer list items. I thought maybe this one, nope, that's too big. Let's get that one back down. By the way, the white stickers from Planything that are on the white sticker paper, super thick. Love her functional boxes. They are a really good quality. I'm going to add a couple right here for prayer list purposes. And then I just want to add a few more items. I wanted to bring that red in. It will come in. This one was a little bit too orangey. See how I have the red box? The red is going to come in through another little piece, but this plaid that is in the book also has the dark red. So I thought, let's bring in a few of those stickers again to break up the boxes a little bit, a little less boxy. Once I get those in place, I'm going to come with a Paper Mate Flare marker in a deep red that goes really well with the red box. Add a little stitching detail around my post-it notes, and that'll be it for this faith planner spread. Let me know what you think of these new subscription releases. I love them, but I love all things fall, so I'm definitely a little bit biased. If you like this video, please give it 2 thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Don't forget down below, I do have an affiliate link for Planything. If you're planning to go grab one of these subscriptions, I'd love it if you were able to use that link. I'd like to give a huge shout out to my Patreon community. If you are looking for an amazing community of supportive people ready to cheer you in all your crafty endeavors, Patreon's the place to be. You can head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find out more. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.